2025 Home Decor Trends. Blending modern luxury furniture with nature's wood and stone elements. As we look towards the design trends of 2025, one of the most exciting transformations is the seamless fusion of modern luxury furniture with the timeless beauty of natural elements. In this era, interior design is embracing the calm and grounding power of materials like wood and stone, harmonizing them with the sleek, elegant lines of contemporary furniture. This fusion brings out the best in both worlds, allowing interiors to resonate with a sense of tranquility and sophistication. Elements such as sumptuous leather sofas and sculptural stone coffee tables stand out as focal pieces that enrich spaces with style and serenity. The raw, organic textures of wood grain and stone surfaces complement the polished sheen of modern luxury furniture, creating a balanced and harmonious atmosphere where visual contrasts play a pleasing role. Achieving this 2025 home decor trend boils down to a thoughtful interplay between natural materials and opulent design. Picture a living room where a dramatic stone fireplace anchors the space, accompanied by a plush modern sofa and tasteful wood-accented lighting fixtures. The warm hues of natural would offer a delightful counterpoint to the cool sophistication of luxury furniture, crafting an inviting and serene environment. Natural stone, whether applied in flooring, countertops, or as decor accents, introduces a timeless elegance that pairs beautifully with modern luxury and does so sustainably, reflecting a broader movement towards mindful living. As this trend unfolds in 2025, it echoes a growing desire to reconnect with nature, intertwining this connection with urban sophistication. More than a design choice, it embodies a lifestyle prioritizing sustainability, mindfulness, and well-being. By integrating wood, stone, and exquisite furniture. This approach goes beyond aesthetics. It's about crafting spaces that nurture the soul and offer sanctuary from daily life's rapid pace. Whether designing a living room, bedroom, or office, the melding of natural and contemporary elements promises a timeless, tranquil, and stylish retreat that encourages relaxation and contentment. In essence, this trend is about more than design. It's about forging a personal haven within our homes, emphasizing eco-friendly materials. This direction in home decor also speaks to an increased awareness of our environmental impact and the choices we make. By choosing sustainable materials and luxury furniture, homeowners are not only beautifying their spaces but are also embracing a philosophy that cherishes the harmony between the modern world and nature. This alignment between eco-conscious choices and exquisite design offers a captivating way forward in home furnishings, crafting interiors that are both innovative and warmly inviting. As we embrace these trends, we open up a canvas for creativity, ensuring that our living spaces are as nurturing as they are stylish.